Hello and welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. I'm excited to show you this villa today. We have wellness, we have a spa, we have entertainment, we have lots and lots of space, and we have fantastic sea views. So let's go and you find out yourself. Today we are in El Rosario. It's a very quiet residential area just outside of Marbella, next to beautiful white and sandy beaches. We have around 300 owners that take care of the community themselves. We have private security and it's very safe and clean. Okay, let's talk about the facts and the numbers. We have just over 500 square meters of living area distributed on 3 levels. We have 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. We have 1,400 square meters plot size. And as you can see, the whole house was reformed just recently with a high quality and very warm and nice materials. Additionally, we have 2 car parks underground and a carport outside just at the main entrance. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more information, please click on the link below or contact me for a viewing. Please subscribe to the channel and I hope to see you soon here in El Rosario.